Okay, this is an AC unit making a tornado siren, or actually a tornado siren is going off. Let's check on the... didn't say nothing about it. Actually, let's go outside and take a look. Just saying, just a tornado siren, but it wasn't.
Nope.
Okay. It's just a AC unit, just making like a tornado siren. So this wasn't a tornado siren, just an AC unit. Okay, and I'm gonna check where the severe weather alerts are. Again, I'm gonna change to the webcam so I can manually download. Ooh, tornado warning is on our way. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. Henry, Justin, Lynn, Eliza, Washington, tornado warning. So, okay, Peabody QC, tornado warning. The county south of us. Right below us. There's a tornado warning. Just south of us. The county below us is under a tornado warning. Okay, watch live, so I don't know what's going on here. Let's check Peabody QC for further details, and I'm going to say...
For the patch neck of the woods. Again, we're still waiting for our box to show up on our particular system here, but that places it south of Columbus Junction and south of Crawfordsville as well. Okay, and there you can see that what Kevin was talking about, the area condition, that little notch where you see that green kind of do a little
okay.
Up toward Old. Let me draw a little line here, and there goes our box right there. This little area right in here. You know, it's trying to draw the line here. I'm not having much luck, but there you do see the.
Okay, I think I'm hearing the. I'm gonna be right back. I'm hearing the emergency alert system. Let's go check. Tornado warning! Mom, tornado warning! Tornado warning right now, so I'm standing outside. The emergency alert system said tornado warning. It's south of us. Mom, the tornado warning is south of us.
South of us?
Yeah, it says it's just south of Columbus Junction. What? Actually, Peabody QC said it's the tornado warning just south of us.
Okay.
And it's south of Columbus Junction. Same for a tornado warning, south of us. Going inside. Well, actually, tornado warning is out. So we're going to do this. I'm grabbing the iPad, grabbing the headphones, and I'm going downstairs. So tornado warning is out. I will stay recording until it's all over. Well, this is one light switch. This is the white one. So tornado warning's out. So might be a long video because of tornado warning's out. Got the iPad mini and the headphones downstairs. So tornado warning, get downstairs. Okay, sorry about the yelling. Okay, so actually, just turn on the TV. And just as now we want it, we not need a SpongeBob SquarePants. And we don't have jurors. 706. Actual tornado! We're going to. So I'm going to get the iPad so we can watch better detail on the iPad so we can hear better instead of TV. Yeah. Actually, I've been listening to the emergency alert system for the time. Sirens did not go off for any kind of reason. This is a perfect timing. County south of us, Alaisa County, is a tornado warning. We are under a severe thunderstorm warning. So, okay, we got the iPad on. I need to turn this thing up. We're having here. What's going on here?
Really concerned about, but I also want to go and I'm going to widen things out now as soon as I clear this off and give you an idea of just the scope of this storm. Once again, there's Winfield. You're very close to a possible tornado at this point, but as we keep backing out, there's a tornado warning in the red, but look at that new severe thunderstorm warning that Kevin was just mentioning. And again, this covers a lot of counties because again, this is one of those walls of rain that is just going to continue to trod through the area. Here's a look at what we have in terms of warnings right now that have just been expanded to the east. Muscatine County, 3:30, a severe thunderstorm warning. For Louisa County, 3:15, that is a tornado warning, but you'll also get some severe thunderstorms or storms that are very strong moving on through. As we drop to the south into Des Moines County, we will see that warning go until probably about 3:30, and then northern Lee County, where you can see that line of storm south of Mount Pleasant, and especially Salem, gets a little bit more ragged. So at this point, Lee County, you're likely going to get some heavy rain, maybe some winds 30 to 40 miles per hour, and as we move to the north again, where we see this line the strongest, that would be where we'd see the worst weather. Let me show you this part of the line right here that I'm outlining in white right now. This is where we're getting the heavy rain, possibly some hail up to 3/4 of an inch in diameter, if not more in some spots, but also the winds, which could be anywhere from about 50 to 60 miles per hour at this point. And we had some reports earlier of some tree damage off to the west, courtesy of some 50-mile-per-hour winds. So a lot going on with this line of storms at this point, Kevin. And of course, right here around the immediate Quad Cities, we're quieting down now. Just about a half an hour ago, we had some lightning and thunder. Those broken thunderstorms, which aren't severe now, between Scott and Clinton County, right along the Wapsie Valley there, and extending over the Mississippi River Valley to the east into portions of northern Rock Island and southwestern Whiteside County. But for the most part, that is nothing to be too worried about. Another tornado warning that we started mentioning, that Johnson County tornado warning, that goes until 3 p.m. So we're getting up to the hour here, and at at 3 o'clock, at least some of these severe thunderstorm warnings and that tornado warning for Johnson County will likely expire. However, that line of storms will hold together and continue to move through the eastern portion of Iowa to the Mississippi River Valley, which means our severe thunderstorm warnings will likely continue to be issued
and we
until
have,
this
we just got a
stretches out of
confirmed
town.
tornado now for areas near Solon, and now that tornado warning has actually been extended until 3:15 p.m. and that will now include Cedar County and Jones County.